Actually, I have just come and I was busy this morning at about my experience during the training and the future plan of of future plan of BPKS library. It's a well known, and only I brief about it, and there is a URL. You can have more information about that. This is not the first point today. And about library, there is open source software. Just to watch the refresh the theme or the about the open source software. Telling about the briefing about the my BP Gorda Institute of Health Sciences was established in 1993 and upgraded as an autonomous health science university in 1998. So, and we all mainly missing such type of workshop and other things, very difficult. But through the network and such type of software, we can have the opportunity to communicate each and other, sharing our knowledge, our resources. So now, and with a few collections. And now user groups, we have the faculties of medical, nursing, dental, and the student groups, MDMS in almost all disciplines. And we have, so what are the resources in our library? We have book and print e-books also, a large collections. Then the journals, and after the PhD program, MDMS program, we have a yearly we are getting not only this health service, providing, delivering health services, but teaching, learning, and focus on research activities. So we are getting large number of also the research reports, and each and every faculty has privilege, has the facility, institutional publications like journal annual reports, and we have the database Hinari. Now CD-ROM we have. We are providing all these services like internet facilities. Even the resources can be online resources can be accessed from their departments, from their residents and hostels. Students can have access from their hostels. And lending facility, Xerox, etc. And we also time to time are conducting the training and skill development programs like effective internet searching, web searching technology. Actually, this is very good for attention and application of medical informatics. So we have almost 1,200 more than that users, and it's opening hour 90 hours in a week. Staff is 10 to 240. Open source softwares like this, so many listed here, and I have highlighted the Greenstone and Koha. This is the main points. So that is free, and that includes the original source code. 2 points free original source code. I used to create it so that users can modify. Third, modify it to make it work better for them. So the definition itself is for customization, installations, and if there is a consortia, then it reduce the cost. So that's why free, low cost, and customize to fit our local needs. Build online union catalog. This is also very important. We can make a branch library, and we can share all the resources of different libraries. So there is no need to manually and use other way to make a union catalog. It's all this advantage. It's a definition. We can make our mind that what would be the why open source software we should need. The cost effectiveness, availability of source code, open standard and vendor independence, reduced maintenance cost, better quality control, localization, legally free, easy evaluation. Both things, open source and libraries. So what are the principles and the philosophy behind that? So library means give the open access, provide, disseminate the information. Open source software is a free. So the digital library repository for building a digital library, DSpace, Fedora, Dingestore, full mark support. See, even the mark receivable and other benefits. So all easy way. Z39.50 server. So from Z39.50 we can import the records, cataloging records from Amazon. There is a limitation, but here in Koha there is no limitation by pattern, by item and records. There is no limitation, unlimited. Document level. Suppose we have a large collection of journals, we don't wish to give the access to the student. Suppose. So I just elaborate these things, the training experience as we call it. So this one is the thread we have. New version coming up frequently, like Gimnastone. Any comments?
Okay, that's a good one.